Hey everyone, welcome back. If the RBC Mobile app is not working on your phone, this usually happens due to a temporary app or network issue. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the app responds. Next, head over to your app store and then search for RBC Mobile app and then check whether you have updated your app or not. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, and that means it will fix issues and make your app start to work again. So make sure to update it. Then restart your phone completely, then open the app again. If the app still does not open, on Android, head over to your settings and then search for apps and then clear the app cache. On iPhone, long press on the RBC app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. Head over to your app store, search for RBC Mobile and reinstall the app from there. Make sure your phone's operating system is also up to date, as outdated softwares can block banking apps. Most app issues are fixed after an update or a clean reinstall, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.